Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and never miss another update from your AG Trending.
23 Modena goal. This time Ferrario is not wrong. Dierna's big cross from 35 meters, Ferrario is left blatantly alone and heads higher above everyone and bags the ball behind an innocent Voltorta. 21 clamorous opportunity wasted by Canaries. Launch from the rear for Montella, who has changed the band. The attacker is focused and kicked the left in and choked. The ball becomes an assist for Ferrario that deflects the ball out of very little. 11 Zanoni extends Del Bar to the edge of the penalty area and risks big. The referee assigns the punishment from a fairly tight position. On the line, I manages to soar into the fray and recover the ball at Modena opportunity. Crossi di Boscolo Papo after a defeat of the defense, Ferrario rises in the sky and hits the head. Voltorta is committed to repelling the ball, but the game is stopped for a foul by the same Canary striker. 6 Very hard blow for the host midfielder, immobilized and taken out of the health service to the applause of the Giallo Blue public. Dell'Orlo enters in its place. 3 Very bad game clash between Rabiu and Gersi. The Ciliverghe player falls very badly with his head and the toilets are forced to enter the sanitary facilities. Nothing serious for the Canary midfielder. 2 The Canaries are placed in the field with a 4-2-3-1, Perna and Dierna central defenders, dodge in the right lane while Zanoni Salaposta. News in the median, with Rabiu replacing Messina and pairing with Batrin. Attack composed by Montella on the right, Baldazzi on the left and Boscolo Papo as the playmaker behind Ferrario. 1 Come on, let's go. First ball played by Canaries.